I'm Janus Jaguar, and in this tutorial we are going to edit some AI. This is also going to be set as editing some scripts, so these are going to be interchangeable phrases when I'm talking, so keep that part in mind. So first and foremost, let's open our Worldbuilder, and then we're going to go to Edit, Player List, Add, hit OK, and then go back to Edit, go to Scripts, import our scripts. Don't forget to make a backup copy like this. This can be found in the data/script folder. It should have already been there when you exported your ini.big, I believe it is. We're going to load it. Keep in mind this may take a few seconds, and Worldbuilder is very unstable, so keep that part in mind. Also, unclicked auto verify, trust me. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the AI to use the Missile Defender laser lock for the USA has. It's a pretty interesting effect. I'm surprised it's not used more often automatically, you know? I don't know exactly if it really helps with anything, but I don't know. It's worth a shot, right? But anyway, we've already done step 1. So next we are going to open up the generic attack folder for Skirmish America, and we are going to click a new script. We're going to name it Laser Lock. Deactivate upon success. We're going to just follow this through. It'll make sense when we get there. All right, the second step is we're going to open up our generic attack folder in Skirmish America. And then we are going to click New Script, and we're going to name it USA Laser Lock. We're going to uncheck Deactivate upon success, and we are going to check Script is subroutine. I'm pretty sure that this is what allows it to repeat. The way that the scripts work is in an action if true and an action if false type of idea. So these are triggers, so think of it as if a plane comes by, that would be if true, if air unit, do this action. If there is no air units, do this action. Think of it that's a good example. Think of it. So we're going to go to this. We are going to actually delete that. Go to the Action If True tab and replace the null operation with team set to hunt using the command ability. And then the team question mark should be replaced with this team and the ability replaced with the missile defender thing, because this command is already in the game itself. And then we're going to click OK, and then click OK, and then we're going to go to Edit Teams. So we are going to remove that, just hit delete, and then we're going to hit New, and we are going to come down to Team. And then we are going to go down to, not command button, but the hunt. And we're going to open that, and then we're going to click set to hunt using command button ability. So then we are going to get this string code right here. This is the actual if true do action moment. So we're going to go to the team and change it to this team. And then we're going to go to ability. If this pops up, don't worry about it. It'll just do its thing. So if that pops up, just remember hit to abort, just to go through the process, just like you would do any other way. So now we're going to go find our command. Remember the command is, as you can see, it's right here. Then click OK. Click OK. And then we need to go to the scripts editor and go to Edit Teams. Step 3. Now we have to define a specific team to use the ability. Just to test this effect, we will use Skirmish America, and then we will scroll down until we see this particular team, and then we will double click it, and we'll edit it to have the missile defender. But I'm actually just going to instead create a new input because I'm an expert. So the key part is to go to the Behavior tab, and then on Create box, find the USA Laser Lock. And now that the scripting part is done, hit OK, OK, and then again go to the Teams editor, go to the scripts again, and now we're going to export our scripts to the original file that we edited. And then our final step is to add in actual command to our unit to use the actual hunt button that we just implemented. So let's go finish this bad boy up and give it a test. So we're going to create a new team real fast, and we're going to put a min of 1 and a max of 1 just for the funsies, and now we are going to find our missile defender. Alright, so let's go to Behavior. This might take a second. And then on Create, we need to find our laser lock now. Alright, now we have our team defined. It will be a missile defender will be created by America, It'll be a min 1, max 1 type of deal. And let's see how that actually, if that works. Hit OK, OK. And now we need to export our scripts. So we go to Edit, and then we're going to go to Scripts, assuming my Worldbuilder doesn't freeze. Alright, so it actually took a few seconds to actually load up. So now what we're going to do is export our scripts. Now make sure it is all scripts that is selected and everything else is selected too. Just make sure export all scripts. And as you notice, there is no OK button, but if you look, it's right, just right here, this one right here. Yep, there you go. See how it brought it up? And we are just going to go save over. Remember, we have our backup right here, and we'll see if it works. Give it a second to save. Don't worry if it takes time. This is an old program and it's very buggy. Alright, it looks like it's saved. And let's go see if it actually worked. I forgot a step, so don't forget to add the hunt command to the actual missile defender. That's just, you can copy this button from another unit. It's just CommandButtonHuntUpdate. That's all it is. You can just Control F that and find that somewhere else. And again, don't forget to add it after the PhysicsBehavior, because for some reason certain modules only work before or after the locomotor. I don't know what that's about. Oh, look, we got lasers. Or not. Oh, we got lasers.